Yeah, it does.
Hi guys, I'm back. I somehow hit the wrong button here. Okay, so I'm trying to show you my birds up here. They like to get up on this ledge right here. If you can see. There's my finch. And this is another craft I did. I bought all these little bird houses from Dollar General with the hopes that they put their nests in there. But they don't seem to like them yet. They love these two. And there's some babies in here. Let me see if I can show you. I might get attacked by mommy. Let's see. Let me turn on my light here. Hold on. Oh, well, let me turn on my light. Hey, Neil. Can you bring your phone in here with the light? There's 4 of my lovebirds. I have 9 lovebirds. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7. Or, so, there's 3 up there. Oh my goodness. Can you shine it right in there? In the birdhouse? I'm trying to show them the, there's babies in here. Can you see them? See the little babies? There's 2 or 3 in there. I can see the one with the red face. Let's see.
Look at that orange.
I know.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to show them. So anyway, there's a couple of babies in there. I'm kind of show it this way over here a little bit, so I can see what's over on that side. That's Mama right there. And she's really mad at me. So I'm going to turn you around without losing you here. And trying to show you what's up. Oh, I just got attacked. Show you what's up there. I don't know what you're seeing because I can't see anything.
Oh, they're swinging.
Oh, I lost it again. Oh, continue. Oh, sorry guys, I lost you again. Every time I turn it, I lose you guys. So yeah, here's my bird pen. Aren't they so cute? My little finchies. There's 2 finch right there. See my little finchies? Aren't they so cute? He's gonna fly away as soon as I get close to him. Oh, bye-bye. Okay, well anyways, I just wanted to show you my birdies. Have a great one, guys. That's my little project that we did. Bye, guys. I'll be on here at 8. Get ready for me.